Here's the final part of our series on Jamaican restaurants with Casual's Restaurant. Now, Mrs. Seedingford, is there anything else you'd like to tell the viewers about Casual's Restaurant?
Man, yes. Finally ask a question. Me can answer. No, I'm excited about yes. So, casuals. We have 24 look. Actually, no, we have to close about 5 of them recent. Yes, man, business reason. Anyway, we have 19 locations. We have kiosks. We have food truck. We have the shop. And where we are at is the headquarters. We have all of these places all over the Ontario. Okay? We have them all over the place. We're looking to get one in New York, you know. Yes, we have a friend over there, so say he want to start the food business. And we say, all right, man, we will start run things. We will start run things. Yeah, man. So we have those things. So every day is a different menu, of course. You can imagine. It take time to prepare and take time for put the food menu together and what we want for the day. So sometimes we have, you know, jerk chicken and fried chicken and stewed chicken, and we have barbecue chicken and oxtail and mutton and some to the rice, white rice and peas and plantain and dumpling. We don't open up for breakfast though. We open up about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Round this up. But yes, man, may I tell you, business are run. Business are going for way. But I have to tell everybody, say, we're not into the customer service thing. When I did say the advertisement, yes, we're not into the customer service thing. We're not into it. Whatever we have, that is what we have for the day. And when it done, it finish. That's how we run the business. Yes. That's how we run the business. So come out, come eat at Casuals. The food is great.
Finally, Mr. Casual, is there anything else that you'd like to share with the viewers about Casual's Restaurant?
So lady, let me ask you a question. My wife never answer all them questions already.
Yes, actually.
Alright.
She had disclosed that you recently dissolved 5 locations.
My wife chat too much. Yes, we did have to close 5 at the location. And we closed them because of the things we did talk about earlier about the extras. Them did into the extra with the customer service thing. Them pay for extra. I must tell them say, if them want give extra, make them open them own a business. If anybody out there want to take up one casual location, them come talk to me. I mean, you can do business.
That makes sense. In keeping with your brand, that makes perfect sense, Mr. Casual.
Another thing, you see, no, we're not into the customer service thing. So, when you come inside here, whatever they on the board, that is the choice for the day. No come inside here and ask for sitting. We're not on the board out there. Me no response for that. That we get to kick out.
That makes sense, Mr. Casual. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Alright, so we're done?
Yes, we've come to the conclusion of our interview.
Alright, I'm gonna make my case clean up the place.
I'm right on it. Oh, Mrs. Seedingford, I'd like to thank you for speaking with us and being so hospitable. You're a real sport. Thank you for all the camera. I love all of this, you know. Come back soon, you know, and talk to us. Mrs. Seedingford, I was wondering if I could get a sample of the food at Casual's Restaurant.
Yes, you can prepare some food.
Yeah, man. How about barbecue chicken?
No. Casual never make no barbecue chicken today. It's either jerk or fried chicken. Which one you want?
Okay, I'll have the jerk chicken.
Okay, you want me to put little gravy on it?
Of course.
Okay, all right. So you want small, medium, or large?
Mm, I'll take a small. I'm trying to watch my figure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is gonna be about $13. Okay, you have cash? Can we not do in debit here?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, no hook you up. All right, cameraman, you want something too? Hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, me get you something. Okay. All right. We can put it on for your bill. Good.
Well, there you have it. We've come to the conclusion of our 5-part series on Jamaican restaurants in the community with Casual's Restaurant. Wasn't it insightful? I know I found it to be. I want to personally thank husband and wife team owners of Casual's Restaurant, Mr. and Mrs. Casual, for their hospitality. Thank you so much for welcoming us. And remember, viewers, at Casual's Restaurant, they're not into the customer service thing.